Welcome to How to Solve. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Discord login errors. Okay, so first on your login screen, simply provide your email and password. Okay, and then once you hit enter, you will see a note that there is a new login location detected, and you will have to check your email. So all you have to do is to go to your email account that is associated with your Discord account. So for example is this email. So you will receive an email that looks exactly like this. And you will see that there is also a link provided. So all you have to do is to click this link and you will be logged in automatically with your Discord account. Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.